Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see these cool gadgets and hacks and organizing hacks we've got in this video. Let's see what this lady is doing, and we'll see the tools she's using in her apartment. She's trying to organize her apartment before her husband arrives. She's sweeping the floor using this folding dustpan. This is small trash bin. This is an electric cleaner you can use for cleaning your bed. It's really cool. She's doing her bed. This is a small mop. You can use it for cleaning windows and mirrors. It's really helpful. And this is a small folding washing machine. You can use it anywhere at home. It's really convenient. You can also dry your clothes using this small washing machine. We've got this small box where you can put your makeup stuff. Let's see what's in this kitchen. These are different jars and glass bottles. We've got this one you can use for your cutlery. She's gonna make something to eat. We've got this grinder you can use for grinding meat. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals. We've got this electric tool you can use for making these things. This is Chinese food. This is a small oven you can use for making cakes. We've got this tool you can use for eggs. This is another apartment, and this is another lady. Let's see the tools she's using in her apartment. This is the package. She's gonna unbox all these products. This is a juicer. She's mopping the floor using this square mop. This folding mop makes the task easier and fast. This is another cooker. This is a small basket, and we've got this tool we can use for cleaning vegetables and fruits. We've got this box where you can put wipes. We've got these organizers. This is a brush you can use for brushing off your mattress and pillows. We've got this filter you can use for the sink. All these tools, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you want to get any of these gadgets, you can just visit Amazon or Alibaba and you'll find all of them in the website. We've got this platter.
Let's turn our attention to Iran, where a college student was reportedly harassed for not wearing her hijab. Iran's morality police stripped her hijab and stole her clothes. In protest, the student then stripped to her undergarments and walked around the campus. Later, she was arrested, allegedly beaten up, bundled into a car and taken away. While her whereabouts are still unknown, many people are applauding the woman for her bravery and criticizing the Iranian regime, where not much has changed in the past 2 years, when another young woman called Masha Amini was killed for similar reasons. After which, anti-hijab protests rocked the nation and shook the very foundation of the Islamic regime. Our next report tells you more. An Iranian woman stripped to her undergarments in a market of protest against her country's strict Islamic dress code. The law mandates that women wear a hijab or headscarf in public. It is enforced by Iran's so-called morality police. Women can be subjected to harsh punishment even for minor infractions. And that's what happened on Saturday at Tehran's prestigious Islamic Azad University. A female student was physically harassed by members of her team for wearing a hijab incorrectly. Basij is an Iranian volunteer paramilitary group. They reportedly ripped the student's hijab and tore her clothes. So the woman stripped to her underwear and, with her hair uncovered, she confronted the security personnel. Still in a state of undress, she walked around the campus in protest before a group of men surrounded her, allegedly beat her, bundled her into a car, and drove away. The woman's condition and whereabouts are currently unknown. Some reports say that she was arrested by intelligence agents, then transferred to an undisclosed location. Other reports say that she was transferred to a psychiatric hospital after the university claimed that the student was suffering from mental health issues. While this seems like a cover-up, the video circulating on social media has gained a lot of attention. Many people are applauding the woman for her boldness and bravery. The UN said that they will be monitoring this incident closely, including the authorities' response. Amnesty International has called for the immediate and unconditional release of the student. If or when that will happen is not certain. After all, this is Iran we're talking about, where not much has changed over the